Welcome to the Electroverse, where technology comes alive. Explore, build, and innovate with us. Master the brain of your projects. Subscribe and power